Question number 1. Where is the carotid pulse check during adult CPR? Correct option is C. Neck. Question number 2. When is insulin administered in relation to meals? Correct option is D. Before meals. Question number 3. Which antibiotic is contraindicated in pregnancy? Correct option is B. Tetracycline. Question number 4. Which reflex disappear last in infants? Correct option is C. Babinski reflex. Question number 5. Which breath sound indicates fluid in the alveoli? Correct option is B. Crackles. Question number 6. What is the first sign of diabetic ketoacidosis? Correct option is D. Kussmaul respiration. Question number 7. What effect does morphine have on respirations? Correct option is C. Decreases. Question number 8. Which of the following condition requires isolation? Correct option is A. Chicken pox. Question number 19. Which organ primarily regulate acid-base balance? Correct option is C. Kidneys. Question number 10. Which drug can cause Redman syndrome? Correct option is A. Vancomycin. Question number 11. Which value indicates respiratory acidosis? Correct option is B. High carbon dioxide. Question number 12. Which organ is most affected in shock? Correct option is C. Kidney. Question number 13. Which structure secretes mucus for lubrication? Correct option is C. Bartholin gland. Question number 14. Which hormone is secreted by placenta early pregnancy? Correct option is B. HCG hormones. Question number 15. Menopause occurs due to failure of which organ? Correct option is A. Ovary. Question number 16. Which position prevents spine hypertensive syndrome? Correct option is D. Left lateral. Question number 17. Which is the most common fetal presentation? Correct option is D. Vertex. Question number 18. The maximum amniotic fluid volume occurs at? Correct option is C. 32 weeks. Question number 19. Which position promotes fetal descent in labor? Correct option is D. Squatting. Question number 20. Which condition causes shoulder dystocia? Correct option is B. Macrosomia. Question number 21. Why does urine become concentrated during dehydration? Correct option is A. Increased ADH hormone. Question number 22. Which principle explain heat loss during sweating? Correct option is C. Evaporation. Question number 23. Why is mercury not used in modern blood pressure apparatus? Correct option is B. Toxicity. Question number 24. Which imaging technique uses magnetic field? Correct option is C. MRI. Question number 25. Which radiation has shortest wavelength? Correct option is D. Gamma radiation. Question number 26. Why is cystoscope bell used for low frequency sound? Correct option is B. Resonance. Question number 27. Which principle explain blood flow in vessels? Correct option is D. Bernoulli's principle. Question number 28. What happened to enzyme activity at extreme pH? Correct option is B. Decreases. Question number 29. Which mineral is directly involved in ATP formation? Correct option is B. Magnesium. Question number 30. Which pepper system works fastest in blood? Correct option is C. Bicarbonate ion. Question number 31. Why is spleen removed patient prone to infection? Correct option is D. Reduced immunity. Question number 32. Which hormone controls circadian rhythm? Correct option is B. Melatonin. Question number 33. Which radiation causes maximum tissue damage? Correct option is C. Gamma radiation. Question number 34. Why is ultrasound not used for bone imaging? Correct option is C. Poor penetration. Question number 35. Why blood pressure cut off placed at heart level? Correct option is B. For accuracy. Question number 36. Which of the following principle is used in spirometry? Correct option is A. Boyle's law. Question number 37. Which organ compensate first in metabolic acidosis? Correct option is B. Lung. Question number 38. Which cell is first line defense in bacterial infection? Correct option is C. Neutrophils. Question number 39. Which principle explain oxygen diffusion across alveoli? Correct option is Fick's law. Question number 40. Which device measures lung volumes and capacities. Correct option is C, spirometry.
Question number 41. Which cervical sign indicate pregnancy? Correct option is B, Goodell sign. Question number 42. Why urine albumin is checked in pregnancy? Correct option is C, to check preeclampsia. Question number 43. Which trimester is most critical for tetrodogens? Correct option is A, first trimester. Question number 44. What is the strongest contraction phase called? Correct option is B, ecnym. Question number 45. Why lithotomy position is avoided in labor? Correct option is D, all of the above. Question number 46. Which pelvis is least favorable for vaginal delivery? Correct option is D, fatty fallid. Question number 47. Which practice prevent neonatal infection? Correct option is B, hand hygiene. Question number 48. What is the earliest symptom of preeclampsia? Correct option is D, hypertension. Question number 49. What is the most common discomfort in first trimester? Correct option is B, nausea. Question number 50. When is fetal viability usually achieved? Correct option is D, 28 weeks. Question number 51. Which condition causes decreased oxygen supply to tissues? Correct option is B, hypoxia. Question number 52. Which disease commonly lead to chronic kidney failure? Correct option is A, diabetes. Question number 53. Which organ failures causes fluid retention and edema? Correct option is A, kidney. Question number 54. Which vital sign change indicates possible internal bleeding? Correct option is D, falling BP. Question number 55. Which condition occurs after prolonged immobility? Correct option is C, deep vein thrombosis. Question number 56. Which hormone maintains pregnancy during early gestation? Correct option is B, progesterone. Question number 57. Which condition is defined as high blood pressure during pregnancy? Correct option is A, preeclampsia. Question number 58. Which nutrient is essential for fetal brain development? Correct option is D, folic acid. Question number 59. Which reflex is assessed in newborn neurological exam? Correct option is a Moro reflex. Question number 60. Which condition occurs due to iron deficiency in infants? Correct option is C. Anemia.
Question number 61. Which mineral deficiency causes anemia despite normal iron? Correct option is B. Copper. Question number 62. Which vitamin deficiency causes rickets? Correct option is D. C. Vitamin D. Question number 63. Which hormone prepares body for stress? Correct option is A. Cortisol. Question number 64. Which organ regulates body temperature? Correct option is D. Hypothalamus. Question number 65. Why is iron supplementation avoided in thalassemia? Correct option is B. Iron overload. Question number 66. Which organ synthesize clotting factors? Correct option is A. Liver. Question number 67. Which device measures air movement in lungs? Correct option is C. Spirometer. Question number 68. Which vitamin deficiency causes beriberi? Correct option is B. Vitamin B1. Question number 69. Which mineral deficiency reduce ATP formation? Correct option is D. Magnesium. Question number 70. Which acid base disorder occurs in diabetic ketoacidosis? Correct option is A. Metabolic acidosis. Question number 71. Which hormone causes uterine contraction? Correct option is B. Oxytocin. Question number 72. Which energy transfer causes heat loss in cold wind? Correct option is B. Convection. Question number 73. Which principle explain sweating cooling the body? Correct option is C. Evaporation. Question number 74. Which law explain air pressure volume relationship in lungs? Correct option is B. Pile's law. Question number 75. Which factor reduce radiation exposure? Correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 76. Which vitamin helps calcium absorption? Correct option is D. Vitamin D. Question number 77. Which electrolyte is essential for enzyme activation? Correct option is B. Magnesium. Question number 78. Which nutrient is primary energy source for brain? Correct option is C. Glucose. Question number 79. Which electrolyte imbalance causes paresthesia? Correct option is a hypocalcemia. Question number 80. Why does anemia causes shortness of breath? Correct option is B. Heart failure.
Question number 81. Which drug is used to prevent postpartum hemorrhage? Correct option is A. Oxytocin. Question number 82. Which condition causes chest pain due to myocardial ischemia? Correct option is D. Angina pectoris. Question number 83. Which bacteria commonly causes urinary tract infection? Correct option is B. E. coli. Question number 84. Which site is preferred for intramuscular injection in adults? Correct option is D. Ventrogluteal. Question number 85. Which position improves breathing in respiratory distress? Correct option is A. Fowler's position. Question number 86. Which method is most effective for sterilization? Correct option is B. Autoclaving. Question number 87. Which nutrient provides the most energy per gram? Correct option is C. PAT. Question number 88. Which hormone stimulates uterine contraction during labor? Correct option is B. Oxytocin. Question number 89. Which disease is caused by deficiency of iodine? Correct option is A. Goiter. Question number 90. Which blood cells are responsible for immunity? Correct option is B. White blood cells. Question number 91. Which hormone prepares breast for lactation? Correct option is C. Prolactin. Question number 92. Which stage of labor begins with full cervical dilation? Correct option is B. Second stage. Question number 93. Which disease causes slap-cheeked rash? Correct option is C. Pepth disease. Question number 94. Which vitamin deficiency causes rickets in children? Correct option is C. Vitamin D. Question number 95. Which diagnostic test evaluates heart electrical activity? Correct option is A. ECG. Question number 96. Which drug is used as antidote for opioid overdose? Correct option is A. Naloxone. Question number 97. Which level of prevention focuses on early disease detection? Correct option is B. Secondary. Question number 98. Which technique prevents infection during procedures? Correct option is A. Aseptic techniques. Question number 99. Which test is used to assess kidney function? Correct option is D. Serum creatinine. Question number 100. Which disease causes inflammation of joints? Correct option is A. Arthritis.